What are the positive and negative of being a police officer? Ito mga idol, may nakita ulit ako na suggested answer na pwedeng makatulong sa inyo in case na ito ang maitanong sa inyo sa final committee interview. Ito mga idol ang suggested answer. Being a police officer has many positives such as serving the community, having a meaningful career, and developing discipline and leadership. However, it also comes with challenges like stress, risk, away from family, and public scrutiny. Despite these, I believe the opportunity to protect people and uphold the law outweighs the difficulties, and I am prepared to face both the positive and negative aspects of the profession. Yun mga idol, sana nakatulong ito in case na ito ang maitanong sa inyo sa final committee interview. Believe in yourself, trust God's timing.